Let's learn triple crochet. The crochet method of triple crochet is to crochet twice around the yarn, then through the needle. Take out the yarn. Pull this yarn a little longer and yarn it. There are 4 coils on the crochet. Let's go through the first 2 first. Wrap the yarn again. Pass through the 2 coils again. When there are still 2 coils on the crochet at the end, we go yarn again. So a triple crochet is hooked. One more time. Twice the yarn. Pull out yarn. Through the first 2 coils. Wrap the yarn again. Through 2 coils. And finally yarn. Pass through the last 2 coils at once. And then again, we did the yarn twice. Insert the needle into the yarn here. Pull out yarn. Wrap the yarn again. Notice that we're only going through 2 coils at a time. Look at the 2 yarn loops. Let the yarn pull out here. We crochet for coils. We wounded the yarn through 2 coils for the first time. The second yarn, or through 2 coils. The last time, it was still 2 coils. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting!